Good morning, folks. We are back. I don't know, I have a conversation with these girls. I'm getting soft, there's no doubt about it. So I want an easy job on a Friday, and I want an easy job on a Monday. So we are doing a 1,000 gallon underground tank removal, a 330 AST tank removal, and a 330 AST tank installation with a bollard. So Sammy was scheduled to take his DMV today, because you have to schedule now because COVID's still going on at the motor vehicle. So I kind of ripped him up out of bed and said, nah, you're working today. So he's back, not happily, but he's back. Good morning, Mike. Those lights are flickering in your front. Oh, so that's what we got. We got a lot going on here. So we're gonna head in there and start loading up. And I think it's in Cold Springs, New York. All right, so Corey's gonna stick the tank. This is an old abandoned tank. Homeowner installed his new tank. I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed with his installation, for sure. You'll see in a minute. And it's just got what? It's got about an inch of water. Not that bad. A couple of inches of product, inch of water. Let me just quickly go show you. So here's his install, which kind of sort of makes us step our game up. Are we reusing those lines?
Fine with me.
Yeah, because I don't even think we can do them that good.
If it makes your life easy. And
well, I mean, it's just they're perfect. They're perfect.
That's what happens when you're retired and you got too much time on your hands.
You know?
And you own a wrench.
So you guys will agree they're absolutely perfect. All right. And how much product's in this? You guys know?
What?
How much product's in that?
It's got a gauge. It's got a gauge.
Hey, listen, you wise ass. And we could just take that off to make it easy. Craig said you got a screw in the back of the flange. How did you do that? Well, that one I can see.
I just laid down and
Oh, you got, these are 10-inch legs too.
they're just loose. I probably got something to pull them back down.
No, I'm sure Craig has it.
You know?
He likes to create a little drama.
I would have swore I read it had to be bolted down or something. So
I think if you had a machine, you probably would do this by yourself.
I would.
Yeah. I figured.
If I thought I could get away with it.
You figured. Yeah, you'd have a problem with the town with the paperwork.
See, it's the indoor I pulled off for 12 years. I'm about to be found out.
Yep.
You gotta go without a problem.
So it's 23 inches below grade, so we're just gonna take our time right here. We're gonna say the tank runs that way. So it should end right about here. I always dig in the front of the tank just in case there's any lines coming out of the home. Tank tank will protect me from it. I got the tank right there. Pretty good soil. Lifting tab. Let's see. That's thin. That's thin. Okay, let's bucket. Dude, are you still complaining about that? You win.
Yeah, but you know what
Go
I'm
in.
saying, right?
Go in, yeah. You gotta win. Get in there.
Fine. Hey, how
Good for you. You could be leading now. Now get in the damn tank and clean it so we can get inspections. Please. Or I'll get you. Want me to get in?
Yeah, you clean it.
Should I? Apparently Craig is still fighting with the homeowner's screw.
Yeah. And I'm losing.
And you're losing. You're losing the battle. Can't get the Sawzall blade between that?
I'm gonna try in a second. I thought I could just break it with this.
Damn. That's impressive.
I got a jack. You want to see if you can jack
That's
it up a bit?
impressive.
Probably going in?
I'm gonna pass on this one. Let me pass on that. I don't think that thing gets to a Jim Candy size, does it?
Michael.
You don't even know who Jim Candy is. But you don't know. Do you know who Jim Candy is?
No.
What do I say about the youth?
You know?
Can I ask a stupid question?
What?
Why don't we just Sawzall it?
Because it's a beautiful pipe. Not for us, but for eventually.
Not for us, but for eventually.
Not like for here, but eventually.
Alright.
It's just saving the company money, bro.
Yeah. We don't reuse old pipe.
Hold that.
I got it. I got it, Corey.
Alright, ready, Court? Watch your fingers. Ready?
Let's go.
That's how we tighten it.
Leverage.
You got leverage. Not like 4 foot of it.
He's gonna go inside. Baby, these pussies had to use a 4-foot pipe.
Kiss his bicep.
Yeah. I did it with a vice grip. You ready? We got 11 o'clock inspection. No, it's not. It's back 20 after 10. Oh, 21.
You're wrong.
Whatever. Whatever. You have 20 minutes.
Got it.
Craig. Hey, everybody. Way to go. Way to go, my friend.
How about you throw that ball?
TikTok break. Hey, you hear that Montana has outlawed TikTok on cell phones?
Good thing Mike's not in Montana.
What would my 2 children do? 3. Without TikTok on their phone.
Hey, Craig's just as worse.
That's why I said 3. What would you guys do?
Instagram and Twitter.
That's the new generation.
Watch Instagram.
Right there. How's it look, Mike?
Good.
Good so far.
So far.
All right.
We didn't push back inspection.
We didn't.
Okay, good.
I did all I could to help you. I drained it to the, like 2.
You did good, man. You crushed it, bro. You embarrassed us with the install. Intimidated us a little bit.
I canceled the oil delivery. That
Yeah, man. I mean, you're an educated customer for sure.
It came out.
One little guy in the corner there.
Yeah, I know. I see it coming through. Oh yeah.
Quieter and easier.
Quieter, my eardrum hurts.
All right, so we used that new nipper, was pretty cool. We cleaned it. Tank's in good shape.
No, next install, leave the screws out.
Got the new one set in.
I said I didn't know which side this was on. Yeah,
Yeah, just do that.
We're gonna start backfilling now. You opened it up? Then you'll see how efficient they are.
The first time I ever leased something, I'm gonna give it a whirl. For the money, what the hell?
So we got to find out in the video who did not put that chain back, because the vibrating of the bed opened the gate. So we'll find out. We'll get to the bottom of it. And now we got this cleanup to do. Hey Mike, you can move that truck out of here. Hey, let me put the... What's Corey doing?
Threading the pipe.
Oh, Corey, go thread pipe. Craig, get that. You go thread pipe. Kylie, you're the install crew now.
Where do you want it?
You're not soil
Right in the middle?
on the pile.
Yeah, but it's... Keep digging. I didn't touch yours. You told me I put it right in the rock.
Okay. That's compacted. He wanted that stuff covered there, so we'll cover that. Just got to get that back by the window. Straighten this up a little bit. Not too bad considering we had quite a bit of rain. This doesn't seem that rewarding of an install. Hey, we'll put that. You want that wood back, right?
Oh. How are you already?
Let's put the last in. I mean, this guy. That looks great. He did the final stitchings here. He blew off the driveway from Craig dumping the yard. It looks good. No problems here. Happy homeowner. What is it, Corey?
It's another fine job by Tank Masters. I'm out.
There you go.